thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for the following county: Tama, Iowa. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Tama County in central Iowa, eastern Grundy County in central Iowa, Black Hawk County in northeastern Iowa until 5:30 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 4 miles northeast of Conrad to 3 miles southwest of Cedar to 6 miles west of Keystone, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Waterloo, Cedar Falls, Evansdale, Jessup, LaPorte City, Hudson, Traer, Rhinebeck. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Henry County in southeastern Iowa, eastern Jefferson County in southeastern Iowa, Johnson County, Linn County, western Louisa County in southeastern Iowa, Washington County in southeastern Iowa until 5:45 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marengo to 6 miles south of Wellman to New Lindo, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Cedar Rapids, Iowa City, Washington, West Branch, Columbus Junction, Marion, Coralville, North Liberty, Hiawatha, Mount Vernon, Robbins, Center Point, Corona, Lisbon, Fairfax, Solon, Tiffin, Ely, Walford, and Wellman. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 230 and 253. Interstate 380 between mile markers 1 and 39. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across south-central Iowa and north-central Missouri. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for eastern Iowa. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Johnson, Linn, and Washington. A tornado warning